Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Skip Marley has picked up his first Soul Train Awards nominations. The US-based reggae star and grandson of Bob Marley was nominated for his collaboration with her, titled Slow Down, picking up Best Video of the Year. Skip has had major success on the international scene as his mega crossover collaboration Chained to the Rhythm with Katy Perry received 3 nods at the 2017 MTV That's Video Music Awards and is certified platinum. Now, Her leads this year's Soul Train Awards with 8 nominations, which includes the coveted Song of the Year for Slide featuring YG and R&B Soul Female Artist. Chris Brown holds the second spot with 7 nominations, and tied at third is Beyonce and Young Thug with 6 nods. Chloe and Halle, Summer Walker and Usher secured 5 nods each to round off the top nominees. The Soul Train Awards is scheduled for the US Thanksgiving weekend. Baby Shark is now the most viewed video on YouTube ever. The catchy children's song that has transcended into an adult favorite has become the most viewed video on the platform with over 7.04 billion views. Baby Shark also hit the Billboard Hot 100 back in 2019. The video has surpassed Louis Fonsi and Daddy Yankee's 2017 single Despacito, which previously held the record for most video views on the platform. Baby Shark was recorded by a Korean singer, Hope, for the South Korean educational company Pink Funk and was originally uploaded to YouTube back in 2016. A new version of Baby Shark was recorded early this year to help promote proper hand hygiene in light of the coronavirus pandemic.
Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do, wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do, wash your hands.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.